Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Bleach Brave Souls game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bleach Brave Souls game on your device, and once you have agreed to the terms and conditions, you can start playing right away. Now, whenever you are playing during your match, if you wish to change the control settings, you will just need to tap or click on the keyboard icon at the top right corner. This will now show you the keyboard buttons that have been assigned. In order to make changes to the movement or any of the other controls, you can simply tap on the pen icon alongside it. Once you tap on it, you can now press the new key that you would like to assign and then press OK. You can follow the same step and redefine all of your desired keys. And once you are done reassigning all of your buttons, make sure to press the confirm button to save your changes. And now you can start enjoying the Bleach Brave Souls game with your customized controls right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Bleach Brave Souls game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.